Nakapagtam po siya. Busy po siya ngayon. Sorry sir, kahit na bigay na siya ng commitment ng emergency Tinatawag siya ng board sa ibang bansa. Hindi basta yan tao. It's very difficult to communicate. However, with grit and determination, talagang desidido ka, get me. And you must appoint them. It should be no less than the president of your school who must appoint these people. Para kahalagahan. Kasi mga presidente yan Tapos ang mag-a-appoint, din lang. So, much better, the president. And, dapat, meron silang trafficking allowance. So, you now see the difficulty. So, if you have decided to do an OBE, next sem, mga kasama, decided members, next sem, simulan natin mag-formulate ng PEO. Makakabuti tayo ng 2 hanggang 3 buwan, PEO pa lang. Mas madali magpagawa ng ating kaysa sa mag-formulate ng PEO. PEO is the first step. Bakit? Ang dato PEO parang bituin na sinusundan ng 3 hari. Yung 3 hari, estudyante yun. Na may dalang handog, SO yun. Mamaya makikita yung SO. Kung wala silang SO, hindi nila mararating si PEO. Okay? Next slide. Okay, ganda ng example. Few years after graduation, the PIT, yung PIT, Philippine Institute of Technology. Hindi yan PIT baka sabihin nyo, PIT The Information Technology manifests their personal skills, ganda pakinggan. Use semantics, technical standards, ganda pakinggan. Click. Pero ang sabi, mali. Do you have a question?